Hey, Playboy.
Yeah, Daddy.
What you doing?
Making popcorn, Daddy.
What's that?
It's corn that covered up. It's in the pot, Daddy.
Oh, I knew that. Where's that?
Yeah, Daddy.
Well, you gotta make popcorn at this time of night.
It's only 7:08, Daddy.
It's late.
No, it's not, Daddy. I can have popcorn anytime I want, Daddy.
No, you can't, Playboy. No, you can't.
Why not, Daddy?
Who you talk? Who you raising your voice at?
I'm sorry, Daddy. I give you some popcorn for my apology.
No, you say sorry, Playboy.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Wheezy.
Shut up, Playboy. That's already a song.
I knew that, Daddy. I was remixing it like my other song, Daddy.
Whatever, Playboy. Why don't you shut up and make that popcorn?
That's what I'm doing, Daddy. Pop, pop, pop goes the popcorn in the pot. I make more hits than Larry make Scott, yeah.
That was weak. Where's that?
So what, Daddy? Hey! You said I was my car alarm, Daddy.
No, Playboy. That's OJ the Juice Man.
He coming through today, Daddy.
Yeah, Playboy.
Hey!
Open up.
You didn't tell me he was coming by, Daddy. I don't like OJ the Juice Man.
Shut up, Playboy.
No, Daddy, I don't like him, Daddy, no. Hey!
What up, OJ the Juice Man? You burned my popcorn, Playboy.
No, I didn't, Daddy. You did that, Daddy. You gonna blame that on me, Daddy.
You would have just answered the joke. For OJ the Juice Man, we would have been good. You burnt my popcorn. I'm pissed now.
I'm sorry, Daddy. Just taste it, and if it's burnt, you can slap me. I think it is burnt in there.
No, I just feel like slapping you, Playboy.
Why you gotta do that, Dad?
What up, OJ?
Hey! Nothing, mate. Just sitting on these hundreds. And I got bricks. Hey!
Word. What's up with making another song, Playboy?
What do you mean?
I'm talking to OJ. Shut up.
Hey!
I can get in the booth right now, man.
Hey!
Put him in the booth, Weezy.
Oh,
Do it.
yes, Dad. Are you ready, OJ? Yeah. Yay! Hey! Don't rip it, dog. What are you doing?
I'm rapping.
Man, OJ, you sound like my car alarm, man.
Weezy, what up? I want to tell you about assaulting our guest. Sorry, OJ.